Creating a professional proposal in Canva using the 2025 layout is simple and efficient. First, open the Canva app or website and search for proposal in the templates search bar. Look for the latest 2025 proposal templates which feature modern designs with clean fonts and organized sections. Select a template that fits your style and click to customize. Start by editing the cover page with your project title, company name, and logo. Then, fill in each section like the introduction, project scope, timeline, pricing, and terms, all customizable with easy-to-use text boxes. You can add images, charts, or icons to make your proposal visually appealing and clear. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes rearranging sections or changing colors straightforward. When finished, preview your proposal to ensure everything looks polished and professional. Finally, download your proposal as a PDF or share it directly with clients via email or link. Using Canva's 2025 layout templates help you create standout proposals quickly without any design experience.